they make you vibrate?
People that they put mouth for it no concern them.
How you don't get their number?
See as she be. You know, see if you see her for that video, come say her now, you go think say she be just me and come sit down like no.
Say just there.
Anything. When you dey vibrate that time, vibrate.
Climb on top car. No only that cloth you wear. You know where the place is nowhere. No, not be what I go see. I go talk. The place is nowhere anything. No only that cloth you just wear.
No, he wear something.
I wear something.
Waiting.
No,
now your question. Now your question.
I wear
But why you say I wear something? I wear something. You can't do this. I wear something. I wear something. Why?
Okay.
Why not just say I wear something? Come and say I wear something. I wear something. I wear something. Why? Oh no.
I wear what you're supposed to wear now.
You know, she do like say she does have it up, but this kind one. Now one line wonder. You go not drop one line. You go now say wow.
Now, if you like say,
did it came from you?
War people, they deal with you. They make you. They deal with you. They make you go and call them for phone. Hey, my friend. What it make you do that song? Because you go get something will happen. It will make you.
Okay, the truth now we say, I don't plan that song. The song I just freestyle. I just walk out, enter the studio. Yeah? I hear the beats. I just start to the freestyle.
But why is an enemy can't come your mind?
I don't know. The thing just enter my mouth.
You do not be say.
Talk now. Now enemy. Why is an enemy not come her mouth?
Why enemy no come her mind? You don't know.
Are you the enemies? Enemies.
Address some blow. Enemies. You think that's
I feel
enemies
the
let
I feel be the real sister.
Williams,
if you do remix,
hello, Williams from the Bye-bye, your TV dey too loud. Bye-bye, I'm not going to even talk to you, Seth. I'm not going to talk to you. And if you dey call me, if I pick your call, respect your old age. Respect your family name.
And respect your
generation. If you get hair for body, everywhere we hair, they respect them. Reduce your TV volume. Yes. Hello, Charles, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine.
How is your man? Why are you happy like this? Now, baby, they make you happy. I'm fine.
Now that girl, why they sit for there? Now make me happy.
Oh, you don't see her now in the video.
You don't see her now. What do they shake?
I make my happy small. I feel too fine.
Oh yeah. Charles, you want toast her, Abby?
I think toast her. I'm not the woman.
Oh yeah, toast her. You have 1 minute, please. Toast her.
You don't know. Still waters run dips.
Hi, baby. How you doing?
Yeah. Hey, baby.
I'm gonna try to speak pidgin. No, are they all right?
Hello.
Hey, baby.
Are they all right?
Okay, you there, right?
Are they left?
Okay. I'm start on the line. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Sorry, it's my pleasure to talk to you. As in, you know, you look so nice and you look so beauty.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
Oh Lord.
I'm very happy to talk to you, seeing you, also in TV, as in, I'm in love with you.
Charles.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Charles, my brother, talk true.
Thank you.
If now you then toast like this, you go green.
Why I not agree? Not be woman.
You know, you know how much there your account?
1.8 million.
Okay, only.
And
wait.
I'm ready to transfer to account.
Wait now. You see I just say You see that face? When I say it means the money. But if I say so 1.8. You this shoe where she wear, you know how much it be? I don't know my TV they too loud. You want to zoom my TV they loud. Please. Bolaji, good evening.
First rule
good evening.
You want us, Mofe?
I beg, I want to ask one question before I answer you. Maybe I want to start, I don't want to start.
Oh, yeah, ask.
I bet sometimes I used to think whether you are a man or you are a guy. I just everywhere. At times when you dance, I used to wonder, say, now man, they dance like this or not guy.
Not guy.
My brother, you well? Man and guy, not be the same thing.
I don't know.
Not be the same thing. Guy, they different from man.
Okay, my brother.
You do those things what man they do.
Guy,
explain to us.
I don't be lecturer now. And you don't take for this kind
guy and man.
What it be guy? What in guy they do? What in man they do?
Guy be like say youth, somebody of youthful age that can move around, can dance anyhow, can do a lot of things, can all those things now.
The man, uncle.
Now, but now, man, I be like one person where the bone on the.
But which one you be? Wait, which one you be?
Me a guy now, me a youth now.
Why you come there? What are you for? What I mean?
I'm a youth or...
Oh! What do you get for WAEC? What do you get for WAEC?
As a youth.
For WAEC.
For WAEC.
As a youth. As a guy.
I know right WAEC, I know right NECO.
My brother, good night.
I understand.
I know right NAPTEP.
Okay.
Nap.
I understand.
You know right NAPEP?
I know right anything.
Oh, it's okay.
Blessing, I beg you, good evening. You see, as men does the cook.
Good evening.
Evening.
Hello, good evening. Blessing from Italy. How Italy today?
Italy is fine.
How work?
Work this fine.
Hey, Blessing, how work?
You know they work this night?
Work this fine.
You know they work this night?
No, I do my house is sleep.
You dey off this night, but may the rest.
I use of you.
Oh yeah, when they hear you talk to us, Blessing.
Hi. You God though. You're not a big person. I'm nothing. I'm Nigeria.
We do. You feel like person wey go like Amebo very well. How Nigeria?
Why you think say she go there and go dey work now?
It's true. She go there.
I don't like Amebo. I'm not serious of my country.
Just say you want to talk to ECB.
Just say you want to talk to ECB.
Yes,
Simple.
I love you. Know you are in the spirit.
You want to talk to them?
ECB, good evening.
Hi, Blessing. Good evening. How far?
But ECB
Long time.
Yeah, it don't take small. It don't take. How work?
It don't take. You forgot me. Not be so.
You not do well the first time.
No worry. Very soon they call Nigeria.
ECB, you don't die. You don't die.
Did they come Nigeria to come find ECB
So
now?
come find it. Not to kill up with that. Hey! Bye-bye. Uche, good evening. Evening, one night. How is you from? Where you call us from?
I dey call for United States of Asaba.
Asaba. You want us to Mofe?
Oh, now you are neighbor.
I'm not a bit toast woman, no.
So what will be your way of toast woman and money I've been about?
No, to take her heart now. Just to take her heart.
Take her heart. You be ritualist. You be ritualist. You want to take her heart?
No,
That's what I think people are talking
about. Take her and say, go out.
Go out.
Well,
you ask her. You know whether she want to go out?
Don't know. Or want to go in.
I want to go in.
I would just tell her, I love you. Straight now, what man I be? I'm not going to talk and go back.
How can you love somebody you just know? Are you talking about love at first sight?
Love at first sight, oh. You don't know say Jane?
No.
You believe in love at first sight?
Hey, she be worry woman. She know what's in the Mofe no.
Say no. Mofe shake her. She don't know love at first sight.
I don't know that one. No.
You go say you know that. You know be worry man.
Please, she's Shakiri. I beg you.
Now, please. It's Shakiri. Anyway, good night. Bye-bye.
Yes.
One talk to her. Before we come up for studio.
Bye-bye.
Mofe, I beg. For those when
Like
be
we
saying,
were saying.
like we were saying before,
Yes.
we were interrupted by those people that don't even know how to even to somebody.
Yes.
Now, quickly, ma ask you because we'll get just 2 minutes to come up for inside studio. What be the things when they say you work on, and for those when they say the support to your fans, what be the things when they say they expect from you?
Any album soon.
Any album soon.
You
See
the
which,
album first.
apart from Bad Break, which other songs they out, which people
why
fit
Break
get,
Sweet?
and your collabos and the rest of them.
Okay. Well, you don't tell a person that they record. Like you don't tell I don't they record. So definitely songs
How
they
many
on
songs
ground.
you have?
All together, man. Maybe go down they reach like 30. I don't they record no today.
Okay.
So I see they record normal. After Bad Break, I think I'm planning to do a collabo.
Okay, with who?
I don't know yet.
You know, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you hear the voice, you go no.
So we see the plan.
Okay.
So collab will definitely go follow up the single. Then after then I will drop more other songs and all that. But for now, I don't think I won't put out album like that. I need to No, I the be first before I go just say
Now, for those who want to follow you on top social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, what's your handle?
Just Mofeboyo.
Mofeboyo.
Yeah.
Mofeboyo.
Yeah.
For those of you who want to follow Mofe, toast ham, carry your toasting, go Instagrams because some of you know if you talk in a chat and the chat. Make you follow Mofeboyo. Mofeboyo on top Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And that's will be all of them. And if you download her songs on top internet as well. My name is Nanedu _ make team and Easy Beat. Now so you take me today. Tomorrow we're supposed to get Kiss Daniel tomorrow. We'll never
the kissing man.
But we're supposed to get Kiss Daniel tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get Kiss Daniel inside the studio tomorrow. Until then, good night.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.